Hello, happy Friday. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. Uh, Finally, it's Friday. This week, it was like so much went on, so I was literally waiting for the weekend. So I'm happy Friday is there, and not only that, my FedEx box has showed up. So I'm going to open it with you guys because I know a few of you are waiting for your package. So you know that it's going to go today, so I'll be shipping them today. So if you're hopping on, say hi. And how is your Friday going on? And hi Chandya, good morning. Hope you took your package from your mailbox. So my Senagen's box has arrived. I know, like with COVID and also with holidays, the packages are really. Thank you, Sandhya. It was what is it, like a last minute one. Cloudy had his neutering surgery yesterday, so you know how anxious I will be if something like that happens. So I was holding on how he is doing. He is better today. He slept well. So good you. So I will check with you on how you are doing. Actually, I also started my brightening back because after this mask, I started breaking out. So I wanted to start back on my brightening again. So if you are hopping on, say hi. How is your Friday? Let me open and show what has arrived. I know few of the new ones are here, and I wanted also to show few things because there were many new people in the group, and I got so many questions on the sizes. Sorry about the sound. I know it's all well packed. Yeah, you can see, like, I mean, I don't know whether I can show you, but let me open one by one. I was literally wiped clean off all my cleansers, daytime and nighttime and all. After the Thanksgiving Day sale, I hardly left with any of the basic skincare, resurfacer, gold mask, and few of my top sellers. So I had to restock them this month. So this is the normal to oily cleanser that has the volcanic ash in it. So that's what I use. If you have a normal to oily skin, this will be the one you will be getting. So here I have stocked up on the daytime and the cleanser for the normal to oily. And same way, this one has the normal to dry and dry. So if you have never tried Senagen skincare, I always do either the sample packs for the skincare or sample packs for the makeup. So you can choose whichever you want to do because that way you get to see how it works. Like usually if you are choosing the skincare one, I try to send at least 5 days worth of products because that way if you can do one whole week without skipping it morning and night, you will see how it works on you, and it will give you a nice idea on that. So here we have 4 different lines. We have dry, normal to oily, and oily to acne. You can see the size is really big. And when it comes to Senagens, you will always use anywhere from pea size to dime size, but not more than that. So each product will last you minimum 3 to 4 months, even if you are liberally using, because as I said, these are concentrated. So you will start with very tiny amount and work your way. So as I said, I was waiting on the brightening and the dark circle because similarly I was wiped clean with dark circle, the eye cream, and what else, brightening, I would say. So I had to stock up. These are like my top sellers, so I had to stock up on these. And the nighttime always comes in these kind of tubs because nighttime has extra Senaplex complex for more moisturizing, and also at night, that's when the skin turns over. So what happens is, if you don't cleanse or if you don't moisturize, that's when the skin is going to what to say, like, take the benefits of all the moisture that you are going to put in. That's why the daytime comes in a pump, whereas the nighttime comes in a tub, because it's really really thick, so it doesn't work in a pump. Our pumps are called airless pumps. That means it will scrape clean when it goes up, so you won't waste any products at all. And I have the new I think this is called the fresh baked collection. You can see the bag. Last time every single order has went with this kind of bags, and everyone loved it actually. Whenever you buy a collection, you get these what is it, like boxes, I mean pouches, but this is a very very pretty one, and this is not something the glitter will come out, so it's a nice gold and white packaging. This is the fresh baked collection. So this is similar to burgundy but with shimmers. So, and this is similar to copper rose shimmer. I think even yesterday's brown eye color, everybody loved it. So if you are looking for something similar to that, the all three are glitters in this eyeshadow collection. So it's a very perfect gift. And whenever you can buy this, you can even split, because you can even gift one color to each person, and that way it is like one gift that you can separate for 3 different people. So I always stocked up on those new colors, and I'm the same way the CCTM was wiped clean. The CCTM is one top seller. Everyone loves it the moment they try on, because it covers vast color groups, so it's easy to color match. And we carry 6 different ones. So most of my customers come either in medium or medium to deep, so it's very easy to color match. So if you like some people like what is it, like a little lighter than their shade, so those people goes for medium. I am a medium deep, so I like it to match it exactly my skin tone. I don't like it to be little lighter, so I use medium deep. So it's such a versatile product, and even if you use every single day, this will come for I would say 4 to 6 months, because that's how much you will use for your entire face. So if you are looking for a foundation that's really really light, then CCTM will be your best choice. And what else I had even the pecan. So this is the shade I use for myself, and the same way the next shade will be tan. So if you're looking for a little more coverage, then foundation, I would always suggest these 2 shades to go on. Tan comes in the sample size, so you can always try tan. And as I said, I was wiped clean of the gold mask. Now the gold mask comes in these beautiful packages, so they are ready for gifting for anybody, and it's made of 24 karat gold. I don't even know who doesn't like gold mask for your what is it, like your own self-care time. So this is another perfect gift that you can grab for yourself or your besties or anyone in your life, because it's such a nice way to gift them, and it will last you for what is it, like 20 or 30 uses, even if you do thicker ones. So that's the one. And here are our eye cream tubs. I stocked up on the eye cream and eye illuminator. So we do carry 2 types of eye creams. They both are eye creams, but what eye illuminator does is, eye illuminator has a little bit of pearlizer, which is our highlighter. So what it does is, it can give like a makeup look. Just if you are someone who has tired eyes, and if you have sleepless nights, then adding eye illuminator or eye cream will really solve your puffy eyes. Or if you have because every night what happens is, there is water that collects under your eyes, and it expands and shrinks every night. So that's why you start seeing wrinkles sooner near your eyes. Let me open the eye illuminator tub to show you. So you can see it has like a golden finish to it, so that way when you use it under your eyes, it's going to give a nice glow to it. So if you're someone who has very tired looking eyes, if you're a new mom, all those stuff, so you can grab this one, because it's going to act as your eye cream as well as your makeup. And here are the Oh, this is another perfect gift I posted yesterday. This is the new, I don't know what it's called, but this is the new Lipson starter kit, which had the color cranberry, and it had Honeycrisp gloss, and it comes with a free oops remover. Think of that. If you are just going to pay for these two, and you're getting a full size oops remover for free, because these two are little smaller than our regular size. So this is the color, so you can see it's a red with glitters on it, so it's perfect for the holiday time. And this is a Honeycrisp gloss to seal it on. So if you're a first timer, you need to grab a color of your choice and your gloss of your choice and oops remover. So usually it comes to 55 if it's a full size, but here you get it for 34. So that's the price, and also it comes in this cute bag ready to gifting. So, and I'm going to give my first impression sooner. I hope I can do it for the coming Monday or something. So if you need it before, you always let me know. And here are, oh, not that one, yes, the holiday mini glasses. This is another perfect gift for your teens or kids and our teachers, because all these comes readily packed, so you don't even have to do anything. And here you can see it's already explains on what it is and the sense and everything. Let me open it and show you the comparison from the original glass. These are sold out last year. Last year also they released in 4 different shades. Actually, I think Honeycrisp was one among the 4, which was came as the bigger size in the cranberry collection. This is such a cute way if your little one loves wearing these kind of things. This has what's it, like a pretty smell too. Hi Juhi, good morning, thanks for hopping in. So these are the holiday mini glasses. Let me hold it so you can see they are really pretty. And here we have sugar cookie, chocolate caramel, apple cinnamon, and what is the last one? Gumdrops. So they all will have they are scented mini, so you will have a little bit of scent to it, but when you wear them you won't feel it, but when you open the boxes you can feel it. And as I said, that will really be interested for the little ones, and it's very small compared to the original size. So it's, you can see the size difference, so it's very small, so it's easy for gifting. And this is the only set, again sold as a set, so it's $40 for all 4, so you can grab and split them. But I will not be able to split and give you, but you can always buy as a set and split it. And what else I have stocked up on all the samples, and this is the one I always be thankful for you guys. When this year started in April, that is our seminar, what is it, like seminar time. It is from this April to next March. I had one goal that I have to hit this significant seller status every month, and it's my 8th month, I would say. So so far I was being consistent and able to hit it every single month. So thank you so much for supporting and making my dreams come true, because my only aim is, because once I hit it every single month for the one whole year, when the award ceremony happens in April, thank you Juhi, thank you so much. They will display every Sana seller from every country, and from US I'm expecting my name to be the first one, being Aarti Natarajan. So I'm really excited to see. I just have 4 more months to hit, so I'm sure I'll be able to make it. But that's my goal for this year, and I was able to do it, and I'm just waiting to take a screenshot of that moment. So that's the one I wanted to show. And what else is here? Yeah, I have the hair serum and also the resurfacer. If you never tried the resurfacer in samples or as a package, you are really missing something, because it is one of a kind product, I would say. It's like having your own hi Bhavna, thank you so much for hopping on. Yes, thank you dear, thank you so much. As you know, I had, what is it, like close to 9 years break before I started working on this. I learned every year, that's how I put it, and this year that was my goal for April. I wasn't sure whether how I'm going to arrive it on it, but I wanted to do it, and 8 months has passed by, and it was amazing. So facial resurfacer is one. Thank you, Bhavna. Thank you so much. I haven't shared my details yet. This one is again from Blossom Hues, Sunita's one. I will post a picture of it. It's such a lovely set. I immediately grabbed it. Like, I mean, it reminded me of pineapple actually. So, resurfacer will help to improve the skin, skin routine so much, because it's going to take away all the dead cells. If you are buying a skincare line and you want it to work out, first you have to take out all the dead cells for the other ones to penetrate. Think of this way, like if you're going to whitewash a wall, if you don't sand it, if you don't fix all the holes or something and just whitewashing, do you think it's going to help? Will it have a finished look? Similar to that, first you need to take away all the dead cells and all the impurities that has been lying down, so that way the skin will look more better going forward. And it's going to be just twice a week. You are not going to take tons of time to use it. I just keep it in my shower. Both me and my husband uses it, and you just need tiny amount of the product, but it goes a long way, and you can use it all over the body too. For example, if you have rough elbows or rough knees, you can use it and you will see a improvement in those areas too. If you are feeling dry patches the body, then please grab this one and use it. And it has volcanic ash from Vanuatu, and most of Senegen's products will have naturally derived ingredients that is really going to help the skin, not in a harsh way. So that's the one. And what else I have? I think pretty much I covered all the samples and other things. And hey, look at the new sanitizer. I think every package we get a sanitizer for ourselves to stay safe and keep us cleaned. And here I have all the glosses, eye pencils, eyeliners and mascara and all. I have used just the green pencil. I know Juhi has it, right? I know she has the gold. I wanted to do the gold on the inner eye, but I forgot because Cloudy was behind me. Actually, he was grabbing my dupatta, and so I had to come down and start my live. I know if you compare my earlier lives, I think today is the I would say my very late live, I would call it, because usually it will be around 8:30 or 9:30 itself. Today is that it took little time, but I wanted to sit with him because thank you, Juhi. I know, because these are ones I really love, because even if you are not a eyeshadow person, like if you don't know to do liquid eyeliners and all, these pencils will look really easy to do, and it stays all day, and water resistant and smudge resistant also. So that way you don't have to worry about it creasing or bleeding the whole day. So that's the one. And I wanted to show the men's cleanser size next to our cleanser, because that is another question I had it for the whole week, because the men's products are on sale for 15% off the whole month. So if you're grabbing for your those sets, you can either grab it individually or as a set. We do carry men's cleanser, moisturizer and men's shaving cream, but just compare the size of it with our regular. This is, as I said, this is our normal to oily cleanser, which is 4 ounce. This is, oh, did I bring everything? Oh, I thought I brought it. Oh my God, I think I left it. But it's almost similar to this size. I think that was also 5 ounce. You can see the comparison of the size between the normal line to the men's line, because I know men's, they cannot use it like a pea size, quart size, all those things we cannot say to them. So the men's line, all three products are little bigger in size. You can see the moisturizer compared to ours. It's almost close to double, I would say. The Yes, that's so true, Juhi. I know the purple has gone now. I don't have any purple at all. The purple is sold out. I need to grab as much as the green, because the green is going to be sold out again. Hi, Abita. Good morning. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much for all the West Coast people hopping on. So, if you see, this is a normal to oily daytime moisturizer, which is 1.66 ounce, whereas the men's moisturizer comes with, this has SPF 15, whereas this has broad spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen in it, and it is 2.9 ounce, so it's literally double the size of it. So this is 1.6, whereas this is 2.9. So for the price you are paying, you get so much value for that. And if you are someone who is looking, you are meant to start these kind of things, you can grab this, because now it's going to be on 15% off. And the same way, there were tons of questions about the lip balm. This is my own lip balm. You can see how much I have used because you will use such a tiny amount when it comes to lip balm and all, because it's so thick and creamy. You can see it's such a nice shade, and it gives that matte finish, and we do carry 2 different shades. Thank you, Amitabh, but it's okay. That's so sweet of you to join anyway. I know I was a little late today. Usually I'll be finishing up, but since Cloudy was up, I wanted to sit next to him. He had his neutering surgery, so he has his we need to be a little careful so that he doesn't open those stitches. And so I was sitting next to him until my husband was getting ready and finishing everything. So the next one for perfect for gifting is this pearlizers. If you haven't seen my video on pearlizer, you can watch this. But these are mini pearlizers. You can grab as a set, or you can grab them individually too. Let me show you the shades. We have 3 different ones, so you can use it as a blush. Hi Nidhi, good morning. Thanks for hopping in. And so here it is, the Firefly. This is my absolute favorite. It is like a pink with the gold kind of highlighter or blush. And then we have Amber. Amber is like a copperish gold, bronzy gold one. And here we have Moonstone, which is like a silvery pearl finish to it. It has a very slight lavender tint, but they come, if you're grabbing in if you're grabbing as a set, they come in this size, because the original pearlizer is little big. These are mini. I think they are exactly half of the size, but if you buy this, thank you, Abita. Thank you so much. I have used the green pencil alone for my eye look today. As I said, Cloudy was had a surgery yesterday. So yesterday I was literally sitting with him the whole time. And today morning also we wanted him to be with us so that he can recover faster. Which one, Nidhi? Which one you want me to show? You mean the pearlizers, or which one you wanted to see? And this is another perfect gift. This is one thing I was literally surprised. I'm more of a lip sense person, so I use glosses only with lip sense 90% of the time. Only the day I'm off, I will either use the lip balm at night or the day, or I use the glosses during that time, because since I'm used to not being smudged, I don't the pearlizer, Nidhi, I will bring my own down. I think these are my originals, so let me bring those actually. So these are again what is it, like pH glosses. Even though they look different in the tube, when you wear it, they are going to be like a customized shade for your pH balance. This turns into such a pretty pink shade, this orange one. This is my favorite. This turns into a little purpley pink, but these two makes an amazing gift. If you're someone who doesn't like to wear what is it, like a lip sense or anything every day, this would be perfect gift. You will, once you get it, you will be like thanking me for this, because you will love how it is. Yes, Nidhi, let me grab my pearlizer tester. Meanwhile, let me I just wanted to show the difference between the size of the lip sense alone, because I know there are many new people, so when they want to try, I wanted to show what it is. Maybe I will just grab the phone, that way I can show them here. So if you see my collection, these are full size colors, glosses, everything. So let me grab the size. Yes, see, this is the usually lip sense comes in a full size tube, but the new what is it, like the new the cranberry one, that came in a smaller size. Do you able to see? So it's little smaller in size. So we do had very few colors in that size. So I wanted them to see the size difference. It's little smaller, but one lip sense color will last you 6 months even if you wear it every single day. So that's how much product is in here. So this way you can get multiple colors, and using it by layering you will get it. Same way with the gloss. This is the original size of the gloss. If you're getting glossy gloss or matte gloss or any pigmented glosses, this will be the size. But the Honey Crisp is a little smaller. It's our Shadow Sense size. So you can see the difference. It's a little smaller. And here is the mini gloss comparison. You can see the mini gloss are exactly half a size. Maybe I'll keep it this way so you can see. Which one, Nidhi? The lip color? The lip color I'm wearing today is Sheerberry Diamond actually. So do you see? So this is full size gloss, and this is the Shadow Sense size, and here are the mini glosses. So these are the sizes you will get. So the holiday minis will be of the smaller one. Yes, the lip color is Sheerberry Diamond, Nidhi. That is the one I'm wearing. There is a Sheerberry. Where is Sheerberry Diamond? Yes, here is Sheerberry Diamond. It's with diamond crystals, like the crushed diamonds in it. So it is on sale for 25% off. So this is the color I am wearing, and we do have the one without what is it, like this is Sheerberry and this is Sheerberry Diamond, and no Nidhi, like not every color comes in a mini size. That's where the problem is. Like, I mean, with lip sense, most of the colors. So or else what you can do is, this is a diamond gloss. You can make any gloss into a diamond color. Like if you like what is it, like Bhavna, which one you are asking, damn, for mini size? Sorry, I missed it. Mini size for the lip color or what you want? So this is a diamond gloss. So any color, if you pick like a matte shade, you can still top it with diamond gloss and make it. Sorry, da, I didn't get your message. That's what now only I'm seeing. Like, what did you ask? You asked something, say, like, what to say? Let me see. Is there a mini size of it? Oh, how much is the pH gloss? pH gloss itself is a mini gloss, da. Let me show you. It's the Shadow Sense size. So it is almost similar to this size. Like, it's not big. It's a medium size again. So it's not big. So I hope I answered you. Sorry, I somehow missed that message. I was showing here and I missed it. Let me show this one. So I thought I will also show what are the current colors I have it in stock. Thanks, Nidhi. I know once you start using lip sense, it's really you find the difference whether it's a gloss or whether it's a color, because it makes it easier to wear it, and also it's not going to smudge that way. It's really easy. So let me show the colors that are in stock, and these are the current stock I have that are ready to be shipped any shade here you want to grab? Yes, Nidhi, I know. Like, I mean, because our glosses have what is it, like the diamond gloss. See, here is the diamond gloss. So you can see the diamond particles in it. If you are liking a shimmer, then this will go perfect. I know. So fuchsia, yeah, I have fuchsia here, Juhi. See, it's here. So I have, I always have almost in alphabetical order, so I can grab them immediately whenever I need. So, and here I have my lip balms and the lip smooth, and you like my shade? Yeah. I mean, I think I had the Sheerberry Diamond. I can check my stock anytime. And you can see, like, I mean, I always have plenty of glosses to go with it too. So if you see these kind of glosses, these are like the smaller size that is perfect for, um, what is it, like gifting too, because they are little smaller but works very well. So yeah, I know. No, Juhi, otherwise it becomes a what is it, like a hectic to search it again and again. So I try to have them arranged in a way that can make you use easily. Yes, dear, Peacock Pearl will be here. It's one of my favorite too because it has like a very nice purpley shade, but can you see it has a little bit of glitter to it actually. So Peacock Pearl will show really well. Hi Gayatri. The pH glasses are 22. They are they are individually $22. As I said, it's 44 actually. As I said, there are two. They came in two. The pink, the coral one is my favorite. Like, I mean, you can find the difference between both because they both feels little thicker than the normal glosses, I would say, because I don't know, because it does the chemical reaction or something, so it stays more and it leaves the shade too, like a lip balm. How the lip balm leaves you like a tint, similar way the pH glass will leave you a tint after you wear them. Not like so if you are not a lip sense person, pH glasses will be a good choice, I would say, because it's easy to put together, and after 5 minutes or 6 minutes it blossoms into a perfect pink or purple based on your pH level. So it's not going to be like mine, so it will vary between people to people, but it will look really amazing. Hi Prashanti, good morning. So the same way, if you think for example, if you are grabbing a shade that is really bright, you can always grab Icicle or any lighter shade. Icicle is a white clear lip sense color, so you can always top it 2 layers of it with Icicle, and once you do, the color is not going to move at all. And the pH glosses, you can wear it on top of the lip sense too, but the purposes will not be there. As I said, it is not going to change color. It will still act as your gloss, but it cannot change color once it's on top of a lip sense, because you will not able to see it, because it's very mild pretty pink. So that's why. So, and for today, as I said, I'm wearing my cotton kurtas. Actually, I am really loving, I know everybody will be loving cotton kurtas in the summer, but I really love to wear it during this time, because this is nice and fully covered, and at the same time it's not too heavy for you. So this is a kurta I got from Blossom Shoes, and I am wearing a matching bangles from Jayashree's, and my earring is perfectly went with this one, and it's from Vimi's Fine Treasures. So that's the one. Is there anything else I need to cover? Do you have any other questions? Do you want to see the swatch of any colors? I have all my colors lined up. Oh, Nidhi, sorry. Let me check my pearlizer here. Yes. I completely forgot about pearlizer you asked for. So let me show you how you will use it. So this is a tester size, but this is the original pearlizer. These have a little bit of tint to them. This is more of a pinky gold, I would say. So I have a separate video on how I have used it. There are plenty of ways you can use it. It's a highlighter. Do you see? It will give a healthy glow, and you can first put all over your face, and then you can do your foundation or CCTM to give a nice underlined glow. You can mix with the CCTM or with the foundation and apply all over if you like it. Or if you're someone who doesn't like too much glow, you can still use it a tiny bit on your cheeks, and when you turn, it's going to give that nice healthy shine to it. Yes, Juki. And as like any other product from Senegence, it again comes with the Senaplex complex. So it is like a highlighter with skincare benefits in it. So it's not going to clog your pores, and you can always use it on your nose. You can use it on top of your lips, and you can always use it a tiny bit on the brow bone. You can use it wherever literally you want to give the glow, you'll be using it. And also you can mix this with your shea butter body cream or body lotion, and you can apply it all over the body. So do you see how nice and pearly and finish it gives? It gives such a healthy glow, and it gets absorbed to your skin, and that way you can see the difference. You can see how pretty it looks. So this is the original pearlizer. I'm sorry I didn't grab. I'm going to make a little video for you, Nidhi, so that I can show you the colored ones. I think I will have a video there for sure. I'm sure I have done a video on the pearlizers. I will bump it, or I can. Yes, it's perfect for not only for what to say, like party makeup. It is more of what to say, like as I mentioned, if you want like going for beach, not at COVID. I understand that we are not doing any of those during COVID and winter. But if you're going out, and if you have a off-shoulder dress, if you have a that's what, like sleeveless blouse, or if you are wearing a skirt or something, you can mix it, and your legs are you can apply it to your legs or your arms, anywhere that you need like a JLo glow. So that's the purpose of it. And I think I pretty much covered it. So the men's things I covered. So whoever is waiting on the package, it's going to go out today, and I have shown all the stock pictures. And if you this is another thing I wanted to say. Thank God I remembered. So if you are looking to see two shades, for example, if you are picking two shades, and if the app it looks so close, you can always ask me pictures of them in the bottle, and I'll always swatch it in my hand to show how it is different when it is swatched. For example, if you take these kind of shades which are really close, and you are not able to find the difference and all, I'll be able to swatch, and I'll always give suggestions on what you already have, or if the color is will look little different than the pictures. I will be always listing all these things to you, and I'll be openly accepting that this color you will have little tough time to apply, or this color goes perfect, like those kind of stuffs. I always make sure to explain it clearly based on the color preference. And I can swatch how many other colors you want. I can use my hand and I can use it, or if you want to see on me, I will either share my own picture, or you can always share the picture with different skin tones. So there are tons of ways I'll be helping you along the way. And I think that's it. So hope you all have a wonderful Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and have a wonderful time.